What's up? Welcome back to the DingDrX channel. You know, I feel very fortunate to have been able to enjoy such an awesome lifestyle here in San Clemente, and really, I owe it all to the surfing community. So today, I decided that I want to give something back to the surfing community, and I can't think of a better way to do that than by donating a surfboard to the Surfrider Foundation. The Surfrider Foundation has been around for over 25 years, helping to protect our beaches, our oceans, and our waves so that we can continue to enjoy surfing forever. So, thank you, Surfrider Foundation. This one is for you guys.
Watch your world through the TV screen. Says it's not all that bad. You've been working hard, don't be bothered now. There's no time here for that.